Hey guys! Welcome to Cooking with CJ!
I'm CJ.
Alright you guys, so in today's video we are going to be making apple donuts, okay? It's super easy. All you're going to need are apples and whatever topping of your choice. Alright? Let's go ahead and get started. Ready? Let's do it. Alright guys, so here we go. So we're just gonna take some of it. We need a bigger scoop than that, Siege. So we're gonna take a big scoop, and we don't need a whole lot.
I'm just gonna take the
And we are going to put it, kind of try to put it to the edge of the bag. We don't need a whole lot.
Yeah, but we need the one because
Okay, that should be good.
I'm doing the black one.
The chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chocolate's not my favorite.
I know, but some people who are watching might like chocolate. Alright guys, now that we have our bags that has only a little bit of icing in it, we're just going to put that to the side for later. That's only for decoration. Okay, so now we are going to get our apples and we're going to cut them in the shape of donuts. Alright, here we go. Alright you guys, so we have our apples and now we are going to go ahead and wash them off so they're nice and clean. And then Mommy is going to cut the apples. Alright?
Okay, that's right.
Alright, let's do it. We are going to cut the apple. So CJ, you just make sure you keep the apple safe. Mommy's going to cut this one. So you're just going to take it and you're just going to cut off the edge. Alright?
Okay,
And
apple
we're going to
donut.
just keep cutting like circles.
Oh,
Okay?
that looks like a pickle.
It looks like a pickle. It does kind of, doesn't it? Like a big pickle.
Yeah.
Alright. And then I'm going to turn it to the side just to be safe. Turn it back this way. Alright. Oh, that's okay.
Mommy, look.
The seeds. I know we need to take the seeds out. Don't forget to take the seeds out, you guys, okay? So, now we have these, and we're just going to go ahead and cut this one, okay? We have our circles. We're going to create the circle in the middle, okay? So I'm just going to take it and create a circle or a square, whatever shape. That works, right, Siege?
Yes. It's a square now.
It is a square. So I guess our donut is going to be a little different.
The seeds.
Yeah, I gotta get the seeds out. Now, if you guys have something that you can poke up a nice, cool hole with, then that's totally fine. But
I'll take the
do
seeds.
whatever works.
I'll take the
For
seed,
you.
Mom. I'll take the seed.
So now we're just gonna decorate our donuts. Go ahead, Siege. Take it away. Alright, you guys, so you can be as creative as you like. Just spread your toppings on your apple slices, and then this is where we take the plastic bag and we kind of create a small slit to design whatever you want to design on your apple slice donuts. I accidentally cut this bag a little too thick and it came out kind of thick for us, but it's all good because it's something fun that you can do with your family, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's fun and it's super tasty. All done. Cheers. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.